If you want to get more organized in Microsoft OneNote, tags are one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags in Microsoft OneNote so you can quickly mark important notes, create action items, and make your pages much easier to review later. OneNote comes with pre-made tags like To Do, Important, and Question, and these tags help you visually organize your canvas in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Microsoft OneNote tips and step-by-step software guides. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the page where your notes are located. Tags in OneNote are applied directly to lines of text, so click anywhere on the line of text you want to tag. You don't need to highlight the whole sentence unless you want to. Just place your cursor on the line you want to organize. Once your cursor is in the right spot, go to the Home tab on the top ribbon. This is where you'll find most of OneNote's formatting and organization tools. On the Home tab, look for the Tags section. You should see a tag drop-down or a tag gallery option depending on your version of OneNote. Click the drop-down to browse the tags gallery. Here, OneNote will show you the built-in tags you can use, such as To Do, Important, Question, Remember for Later, and more. These preset tags are great because they let you quickly label information without typing anything extra. Now choose the tag that best matches your note. If you want to create a task you need to come back to, select To Do. If the information is critical, choose Important. If something needs more clarification, the Question tag is a great choice. Once you click the tag you want, OneNote will apply it to the line of text instantly. You'll see the tag appear beside your note, making it easier to scan your page and identify what matters most. This is especially helpful if you take a lot of notes during meetings, classes, or research sessions. You can also use tags throughout the same page to group ideas by priority, action, or status. For example, you might tag tasks you need to complete, questions you need to answer, and key points you want to remember later. That way, your notes stay cleaner and more useful over time. If you ever want to remove a tag, just return to the same line, open the tag drop-down again, and choose the option to remove or clear the tag depending on your version of OneNote. It's that simple. Tags are a small feature, but they can make a big difference in how organized your notebook feels. They help you turn a plain page of notes into a more structured workspace that is easier to review and act on. So to recap, click the line of text, go to the Home tab, open the Tags drop-down, browse the Tags gallery, and choose the tag you want to apply. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more OneNote tutorials, productivity tips, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.